This is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then enter the Wi-Fi category over here. After that, you have to be connected to the network you would like to share. So assuming that you are currently connected to Wi-Fi you would like to reveal the password for, you gotta tap on it. Then at the About This Network page, go for the Share option. And as you can see, this pop-up window slides right up and shows you the password to the Wi-Fi network. Here it is, and provides you with the QR code that you can further scan with any other device. And once the QR code gets processed and read, your other device will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.